Welcome to our TeamGuru tutorial. In this video tutorial, we would like to go over our metric dashboard statistics and what you are going to be able to see and how you can work with it. So when you are using your metric dashboard and you have it set up with several different org units or projects, you will be able to view statistics for that metric and all these org units or projects. In this view, you will find the statistics right here. You might also use this kind of view, and in that case, when you hover over, you will have that option right here to see the chart. So now when I go and I would like to see statistics, for example, for this metric, when I click on it, now it will take me to this basic view. Here you will see your base unit or project, see how they are doing. You will get your top bottom performers that will be sorted from top to the bottom, and the same thing for your significant movers, where you can get the comparison of performance with the last period. And here is the period, since our dashboard is set up to see actual values and a monthly view. But you also have an option to go and choose more settings and customize your view. And here you see that you have more options to choose from. You can decide if you would like to see a bar chart or pie chart. And these two submenus will help you to choose your org units or projects you would like to see in here. In the first submenu, you will see that you have an option to either select all org units from your dashboard or only top 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 20. Sometimes your dashboards can have many projects or org units. And second submenu, you will be choosing which units projects you want to see. Would it be only the base input units, or if you would like to see only summary units, all units, and you also have an option to choose this custom view, in which case when you click on this edit org unit selection, you will be able to choose which units or projects you will want to see in your chart. And compared to here, as I mentioned before, you are able to view a comparison of performance with the last period. In our case, we are in February 2020, and here I see comparison with January 2020. But let's say that you would like to compare it with different periods, and you do have that option also when you can choose how many months you want to go back or weeks, depending how your dashboard is set up, and then you can see that comparison also. So let's say right now I would like to compare February with December, then I'll just go 2 months back, and here I get my comparison also. And the last feature and option you can choose is the aggregate by responsible. And aggregate by responsible feature will help you to summarize data per responsible person for your org units or projects. So when you go to my dashboard, I see that I have responsible people set up, and I would like to see that summarized data in my chart. I would like to go to my other dashboard now, because I would like to talk a little bit more about how to set up your responsible person in dashboard. And there are two ways how you can set up your responsible in your metric dashboard. When you go to your metric dashboard settings, and if you are using automatic metric dashboard, which means that any new projects that will be created in a system will be also automatically added to your metric dashboard based on your selection. And here you will see that you have an option to set project leader as responsible, and in this case all the responsible people will be added to this dashboard automatically for your projects. But you also have an option to set up your responsible manually in case you are not using the automatic dashboards, or if you don't tick this box. And I will go to my other dashboard just to show it. And to add responsible person manually into your dashboard, please click this green plus button, and then you will add your employee from the submenu and save. And now you are also able to assign responsible person to your projects or org unit. And to do so, you just have to choose your project or org unit, click on it, it will be highlighted, and then you can select which responsible person is assigned to that project. So I will choose Lloyd Austin, and I will also set up this project. And you can always select only one person as a responsible. And now when I go to my metric dashboard, you will see responsible person right here, and when you hover over it, you will also see the full name. And now when I go back to my dashboard, I go to its statistics, you will see that the view is exactly the same as using the org units. And when I click aggregate by responsible, now I will get the summarized data per responsible person for the projects in your dashboard. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.